Hi! In front of me is iPad mini 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Apple device. First of all, go into App Store and download an app that you want to set up as your default one. In my case, it will be Opera browser. After that, you need to go back and tap on Device Settings, then scroll down and find your app over here. Click on it and choose Default Browser App. Now you need to select your app by clicking on it and simply go back. As you can see, my browser app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!